Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to mathematics class, lecture number 2. Students, today we are starting our new unit number 2, integers. First, I will explain what integers are. Integers are numbers that include positive numbers, negative numbers, and zero. Example of integers: positive integers is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Negative integers is equal to -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on, and 0. So integers are 0, -1, -2, -3, so on, and 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Integers are all the numbers we already know plus the numbers below zero. Let's understand it with the help of real life examples, students. Students, you have seen temperature on TV or in weather reports. Normally, temperature can be above zero. 5 degrees Celsius, 10 degrees Celsius, these are positive numbers. But sometimes it becomes very cold and goes below zero. Example, -5 degrees Celsius. 0 degrees Celsius is like a middle point. If temperature drops below zero, we use a negative sign minus. So -5 degrees Celsius means 5 degrees below zero. On number line, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, moving left, which represents to colder. Let's understand it with the help of another example. Now think about money. If you have 100 rupees, this is positive. If you borrow money, you owe someone minus 100 rupees. Positive money you have, negative money you have to give back. For example, if I borrow 100 rupees from a friend, I don't have it, I must return it. So we represent it as minus 100. Now I will explain it to you with the help of another example, students. This is example number 3. Think about a building or a mall. Ground floor is equal to 0. Floor above ground, 1, 2, 3, positive numbers. Floors below ground, like parking, basement, -1, -2, negative numbers. Above ground, positive, below ground, negative. If you go down one level, you are at -1. If you go further down, you are at -2. So students, in all these examples, above having positive, below owing negative. That's why we need integers to show both directions. Okay students, today we will cover our topics: natural numbers, the set of natural numbers, and natural numbers on a number A, whole numbers, the set of whole numbers W, whole numbers on a number A, some rules for natural and whole numbers. Before we begin, let me ask you a question. When you count your classmates, what number do you use? Obviously, you will use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. So, these are called natural numbers, students. Natural numbers. Natural numbers are the numbers we use for counting things. Example: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so on. These are natural numbers. Start from 1, go on forever, no ending, do not include zero, negative numbers, or fractions. Example: if I count, students, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, so these are natural numbers. Students, can we include 0 in natural numbers? No, because natural number starts from 1. Next is the set of natural numbers. A set means a collection of numbers. The set of natural numbers is written as n is equal to curly bracket start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on, curly bracket close. Important points. N stands for natural numbers. Curly brackets shows a set. The dots means the number continue forever. For example, first five natural numbers is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Natural number on a number array. A number array is a straight line that starts from a point and goes in one direction. Steps to draw. Draw a straight line. Mark a point, usually 0. Mark equal distances 1. Draw an arrow at one end. Mark equal distances 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Here you can see the representation. Important points. The ray moves to the right side. Number keep increasing. Natural numbers start from 1, but we show 0 as a reference point. Our next topic is whole numbers, students. Whole numbers include 0 and natural numbers. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Key points are start from 0, no negative numbers, no fraction. So, the whole numbers are equals to natural numbers plus 0. Next. Next is the set of whole numbers. Set of whole numbers W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. W stands for whole numbers include 0. Students, what is the smallest whole numbers? Obviously 0. 0 is the smallest whole number. Whole numbers on a number array. Here you can see the representation of whole numbers on a number array. Points start from 0. All whole numbers are shown number increased to the right. Students, our last topic is some rules for natural and whole numbers. Rule number 1 is student closure property of addition. When we add two natural or whole numbers, the answer is always a natural or whole number. For example, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. This is a natural or a whole number. This is called the closure property of addition. Students, rule number 2, addition on number array. We can understand addition using a number array. For example, 5 plus 4, start at 5, move 4 steps to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. You reach 9. This shows addition means moving forward right side. Rule number 3, subtraction on number array. We can understand subtraction using a number array. For example, 8 minus 3. Start at 8. You move 3 steps to the left. Minus 1, 1, 2, 3. You reach 5. This shows subtraction means moving backward left side. Rule number 4, subtraction is not always possible. When we subtract a bigger number from a smaller one, the answer is not natural or whole number. For example, 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. So closure property does not apply to subtraction. Rule number 5, multiplication property. Multiplying natural or whole numbers always gives the same type. Example, 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. Next property rule is division rule. Division may not given natural or whole numbers. Example, 5 divided by 2 is equal to 2.5. Smallest rule number 5 is smallest number. Students, important final points are smallest natural number is equal to 1 and the smallest whole number is equal to 0. In rule number 4, here 2.5 is not a whole number and not a natural number. So that's why we say that closure property does not apply to division. I hope students you have understood the topics. Students, today we learn natural numbers, whole numbers, number array, and some important rules of natural and whole numbers. Students, these are the basics of mathematics, so understand them clearly. Students, note your diary. Unit number 2, integers, page number 15 to 17, topics, natural numbers, the set of natural numbers, and natural numbers on a number array, whole numbers, the set of whole numbers on a number array, some rules for natural and whole numbers. Do reading of all these topics. Students, that is all about today's lesson. I thank you for your attention. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.